Alright. Yep, now we're starting.
Boo.
Okay.
Oh, are you getting ready to do it, Mason?
Oh, it's fine.
Oh my god. I just asked you if it was recording.
That's alright, I can edit it eventually. Alright. So, we're going to be working today with a new skill. Alright? Check this out. Perfect. Thanks. Alright. So, we've been working with good readers, right? We're feeling awesome. What we're going to do? We're going to read a lot. So, we're going to be given a skill to help us become good readers, alright? So, okay. That's okay. Alright. So before we do that, who can tell me what this letter is? B. Right? What sound does the letter make? What sound does it make? B. What about what letter is that? Yeah, I'm gonna make my head a little goofy. It goes good. F makes and one more. This part of this. How about this one? And what sounds make? Keep.
Yeah, you're in the video.
Alright, guys. So, today we're going to talk about the beginning sound of words. We have all these words. We're going to talk about the first sound that the words make. Okay? So, they're going to be 3-letter words. Okay? So, it would be a consonant letter, a vowel, and another consonant letter. Okay? So, this may be kind of confusing at first, but we're going to work hard, and this is going to help us become better readers. And when you guys have to test and stuff, there's a difficult word you don't know, you'll be able to use this to help sound it out, alright? Sound good? So during this, okay, so during the lesson, I want you guys to be paying attention, alright? Because since it's something new we're doing, you might get lost. And I don't want you guys to get confused, okay? So I want you to participate, ask questions back and forth, and I'm going to ask you to explain some stuff too. So be ready to do that, alright? Sound good?
Yes.
Awesome. Alright. What's up?
So no one with this.
Yeah, why don't you just slap that on your wrist? Good. Take 2. There you go. Alright. So, like I said, we're looking at the beginning sounds of words. So,
Oh, a man.
yeah, it's a man. And we're looking at this thing on the top of his head. I know it's kind of hard to look at. But, what is this? You can tell me what this is right here. It's a hat. Okay. Now we're going to go with hat. Okay. So, this is a hat. So, the first thing we're going to do is think about the word. And I know. Okay. So, we know the word is hat. Hat. So, I'm going to try to sound it out. It's at. So. I know the first sound is a. So then I have to think, what letter in the alphabet makes that sound? An H makes that sound. So I know where it's H, A, T. And I know this is the first letter.
The fish bites and goes under, but I couldn't think of that name either.
So the beginning sound of hat is
That is hood.
alright? So here's another one that I'm going to show you. So here is the picture I got.
I'm not going to count that one because if I didn't know what it was.
this is a cat. Cat. Cat in the hat. Alright.
You should benefit from the
Alright. So, I gotta think about the word. So I know the word is cat. Now, I gotta think of the beginning sound.
C.
So like a cat goes. So, I know the sound it makes, but there's two sounds that make that sound, isn't there? There's a at. So, when I think about cat, beginning sound, so C is the beginning sound, right? So, yeah, so we're going to focus on the beginning one right now. So cat. So, beginning sound. Okay. And let's do one more. One more for practice. And we're gonna, yep. This is practicing. Yep. This is a guy. And here's here. So he looks pretty angry, doesn't he? He's angry. You see, he's got his angry eyebrows.
What's funny?
Yeah, he's kind of funny. Okay, so this is our guy. He's angry. What's another word for angry? He looks pretty mad.
Man.
Mad.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, so I gotta think of my word from the first. So I know that the first letter in mad is, or the first sound is So what's the first sound? So I think my word mad. So the first sound is and I think of my alphabet. Is for M.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Good teacher.
Now
Now we're gonna do a little practice together. Okay?
little tiny one like that.
Yeah, we're gonna keep doing that. All right?
Then boom.
Okay. So we're gonna work this out together, and I'm gonna give you guys a word, and I want you both to say the word together. So I'll say the word first. You repeat it, and then I will say. I'll ask you for the first letter in the word, and then you will say the first letter, and then I'm going to ask you for the sound the letter makes. You say the sound. So, for example, if I had the word vet, so I would say vet,
V.
and then I would say the first letter of vet is V, and then V makes Okay, so you guys got it? Alright, so let's do this word. The word is what? What's the word?
W.
Oh, I just need to know the word. What's the word?
What?
Oh, okay. Let me explain. Let me explain it. I'm going to say the word, and then you guys say it. Okay? And then I'm going to ask you for the first letter in the word. You tell me the first letter. Then I'm going to ask you the sound the first letter makes. Okay? So, what's the word? What is the word?
What?
What. And what's the first letter in what?
W.
W. Right. And what sound does W make?
What?
What. What sound does W make?
What?
What. Good. Let's stop. Can you stop that, please?
That's a scary song.
Alright. So, let's do another word. Let's do pen. Right, so what's the word?
Pen.
Pen. Like a pen you write with.
Like this.
So, what's the first letter in pen?
P.
P. And what sound does P make?
Papa.
So, how do you guys know? How do you know that the first letter in pen was P, Jaden? How do you know that? As the first letter is P, did you sound it out, or did you just guess?
Yes.
You guessed. Well, you're a pretty good guesser because you guessed what right too. So did you go through the alphabet and think of N?
That's hot.
So N was what letter?
P.
P. Very good. So, how you guys feeling about this? Feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
How about scale of this to 5? 5 is feeling great. This is feeling not very good. So you feeling high five or feeling high five? How you feeling? Feeling good? Good. try bat. So what's the word?
Bat.
What's the word?
Beat. Bat. Oh.
What's the word? Bat's the word. And what's the first letter?
B. Sen. Sound.
No. Okay. So what's the first letter of bat?
B.
And what sound does B make?
Buck.
But good job. All right.
James.
Jason Schreier. Okay. So now that we did that, we're gonna work on your understanding. Okay. We're gonna be doing the same thing we've been doing, but I'm gonna say some words, and you're gonna take words saying. You're gonna take turns saying the word, the beginning letter, and the sound that the beginning letter makes. Okay. All right. So it's gonna be like a little game. We're gonna see who can stay in the longest. All right. It's kind of like Sparkle, but a little different.
You mean spell?
And it's we're not spelling that. I'm gonna go to Jade first, ask him all 3 parts. Then I'm gonna go to you, ask you all 3 parts. And we'll go back to Jade. We'll go back and forth like that. Okay.
And then.
Just a few times.
And then.
Yep. Back and forth. Back and forth. We'll see. All right. So you ready? So the first word you have is tap. So what's the word?
T.
What's the word?
Oh, T.
Tap.
Tap.
Tap. Okay. So what's the first letter in tap?
T.
And what sounds T make?
T.
Good. All right, Corey. Your word is mop. So what's the word?
Mop.
Okay. And what's the first letter in mop?
M.
And what sound does M make? Good job.
What you got?
All right. Your word is car.
Car.
So what's the first letter?
C.
What sound does C make?
Cup.
Good job. Car.
I have a question.
What's up?
If it's their turn, we can do that or.
If it's their turn, think about it. If they get it wrong, it can be you. You get it right. Okay.
Yeah, I'll get it every time.
All right. Your word
Me too.
is gut. So what's your word?
Yep.
Gut. What's the first letter in gut?
G.
G. Good job. What sound does G make?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Well, that's all right. You're close. Good job. All right. And your word is zip. What's your word? What's the first letter in zip?
What? Z.
Z. And what sound does Z make?
Z. Z. Z.
Z.
Z. Z.
I like it. Okay. Your word is rat. What's your word? Rat. And what's the first letter? R. And what sound does R make?
Oh.
All right, Jordan. Your turn. Your word is hip. Hip. So what's your word?
Hip.
Hip. And what's H? And what sound does H make? What sound? Good job. All right, Corey. Last one. For all the marbles. All right. Your word is 6. So what's your word?
6.
What's the first sound? Or what's the first letter? Sorry. What's the first letter? 6.
S.
S. And what sound is S? There you go. Good job. Alright. So, real quick, you can tell me what we were just doing here. What is this all about? What part of the word?
Sounded.
The sound.
The road.
Sound. What was it? The beginning sound, the middle sound, or the last sound?
The first.
The first sound, the beginning sound. And why is this important? Why are we doing this now?
Because we need okay, you got him. You got him.
I like where you're going. You need to learn why is this going to help us? What is this going to help us learn to do? Sound it out. It's going to help us read too, right? Yeah, and work hard. Okay. So, in the future, we're going to keep on working on the skill, okay? And next time we meet, we're going to do the ending sounds of words. So instead of doing the first sound, we're going to focus on this. That's for a different day, alright? So, good job. You're going to hang over to Jade first. Alright, guys. You guys are dismissed. Play the toys that I made you.
Toys.
Yeah, whatever you want to call them.
Toys.
So,